Most smoke detectors work on a principle called ionization. A current of ions flows between two metal plates. When smoke particles enter the chamber, the flow is interrupted, and the alarm is triggered. By now you might be thinking that you're okay because when you burn toast in your kitchen, what happens? The smoke detector goes off. And that must mean that everything's fine and that you're safe. Well, think again. Toast and kitchen smoke generally produce lots of small particles, just the right combination to block the flow of ions. But smoke particles from, say, a fire on your average couch are large and few in number, and they often don't interrupt the flow, and so the alarm doesn't sound.
There are 3 cities in Northeast Ohio that are requiring homeowners to switch out their classic smoke detectors for a different type called photoelectric smoke detectors. They react faster, and fire officials say that buys valuable time for homeowners and families. Here's Channel 3's Darielle Snipes with more.
That's why Shaker Heights is one of the first cities in the state to make the switch to photoelectric smoke detectors.
We found that the photoelectric smoke detectors tend to respond tens of minutes faster in a smoldering fire, which are more common today than the fast-burning fires.
Shaker Heights Fire Chief Kevin Jacobs says a smoldering fire is one that starts in a couch or a bed and takes longer to develop into flames.
And it'll smolder, produce a lot of toxic, thick black acrid smoke, and the photoelectric smoke detectors respond a lot faster to that type of fire.
With ionization detectors, the smoke has to rise and get into the device for the alarm to sound.
The photoelectric work off a beam of light. So when that beam of light is broken because of the smoldering smoke, it'll alarm before an ionization will.
The reason Chief Jacobs says the photoelectric ones are now mandatory in all Shaker Heights homes. This is Adrian Butler, co-founder of the World Fire Safety Foundation. He's demonstrating how long it takes a photoelectric smoke detector to go off compared to an ionization smoke detector. He puts the ionization one in first into this box. Then the photoelectric one. In his demonstration, it takes 9 seconds to go off. The ionization one takes more than 2 minutes. That can be the time needed to get out of a house alive. Darielle Snipes.